Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete puzzle in Heartopia. Okay, first of all, you need to purchase the puzzle from the Kaching's general store. And I've already purchased the puzzle. And then we need to complete the puzzle now. You can go to your backpack and then equip the puzzle. Okay, I'm going to select this puzzle. And then we need to place the puzzle on our house, and I'm going to place it here, okay, in my living room. All right, and then we need to tap to enter the puzzle game. Okay, and this is the puzzle that we need to complete, guys. And I just arrange the puzzle piece like you do in your real life. Okay, I'm going to try to finish the puzzle. Alright, and finally it's complete, and it took me very long to complete this puzzle, guys, because I'm not good in arranging puzzle. And then we need to go back to catching, and we will get reward after completing the puzzle. Okay guys, and that's how we can solve puzzle in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!